Is your Blink camera not working after maybe a battery swap? Well, fortunately, I have outlined straightforward steps that you can take in order to get your Blink camera back in action. So, welcome to Blink Blink. Let's get started. Blink cameras are equipped with handy status indicators that help in signaling to you its current status. So if your cameras are not working as they should, then the first place you check is your Blink camera itself. The thing to note is that status indications differ based on your Blink camera model. So make sure that you know your Blink camera model beforehand. You can check out what each indication stands for from Blink's official website or by checking out our supporting article from our website blinkblink.com, which I've made sure to plug in the description below. In short, a blue light on your Blink cameras indicate that the camera is recording motion, and a red light indicates power or network related issues. If you use batteries to power your Blink camera, then make sure that they are sufficiently charged. Now, Blink claims that the AA batteries on your Blink camera can last 2 full years, but the numbers can vary drastically based on your usage. You can check the battery status of your Blink camera by going into the Blink app on your phone and tapping on its camera settings. Then tap on General Settings and check if the battery level option is showing OK. If it does not show OK, then swap out the batteries for a fresh pair. Just make sure to not use rechargeable batteries, as they might not be able to provide sufficient power. A power cycle on your Blink system can help in getting rid of any temporary bugs that might have cropped up due to any charging related issues. To perform a power cycle on your Blink camera, remove its batteries and let it sit idle in its powered off state for about a minute. Then pop the batteries back in and let it sit idle for another minute. Power cycle your Blink sync module, unplug it from power, and after a minute plug it back in. Your Blink cameras requires a strong and stable internet connection in order to communicate with the Blink servers, which helps in relaying the clips that your camera records to the Blink app on your phone. This is done by using a Blink sync module, which acts as an intermediary between your Blink cameras and the Blink servers. So check if your sync module has any issues connecting to your internet. You can check the signal strength of your sync module by going into the Blink app on your phone and tapping on the sync module option on the home screen. The signal indication on top should indicate its status. Also, make sure that your internet is strong and stable enough to support your Blink camera streams. If you're facing issues with your internet connection, contact your internet service provider and get it patched up. Just make sure to connect your Blink camera and your Blink sync module to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as the Blink system does not support the newer and faster 5 GHz bands. If the steps that I've mentioned so far do not work for you, then you might need to consider resetting your Blink sync module. To reset your Blink sync module, locate and press the reset button on the back of your sync module for about 5 seconds till it flashes red. Then open the Blink app on your phone and tap on the sync module offline banner that pops up. Then follow the instructions on the screen to delete the sync module. Add the module back again and you're good to go. And that's pretty much how you fix your Blink cameras that are not working properly. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Blink related content.